Hi guys, I'm Canine Crooner from Austin there, and we got a problem on Snapchat. It's not working. Look, if I try to make a video, look, it sucks. It says video recording failed, so that sucks. Look, in the gallery, it has that gray. Yeah, it's gray and we cannot see the picture. So that sucks too. Let's delete that one. Delete Snap and then let's click delete. See, it stays there. It's still there. So that sucks too. Let's try to take a picture. Let's save it. Are you kidding me? See, that sucks too. Let's try it again. Yeah, let's try it again and see if it's there. Look, it's still not there. So that sucks. Look, if I tap on the picture, it says, "Oops, something went wrong. Please try again." See? That sucks too. Yeah, so does this picture. Yeah, that picture does not work either, so that sucks too. See? Now Snapchat's not working, so that sucks. How about if I take a picture with this? Are you kidding me?
Hold on.
See, I tried to delete some videos and it does not work, and it stays there. So that sucks. Yeah, that sucks. It sucks. Well, yeah, I think we should fix Snapchat or delete it. Okay, so let's try the regular camera and see if it works. Are you kidding me? Yeah, now my phone is not working. Yes, now Snapchat's not working, and then the camera's not working. Let's delete this video. Delete that, 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 delete that. Okay, delete. Here we go. It's deleting. Here we go. Let's try it again and see if it works. Oh, it works. The camera's working now. Okay, Yep, it works. Okay, let's try Snapchat. Oh, yep. Now Snapchat's working. Look, I see it moving. Let's try deleting that picture here. We have to tap it slow. Here we go. All gone. Now Snapchat is working. So, yep, now Snapchat's working. Here we go. And now I fix Snapchat. Goodbye and have a good day.